Is it time to buy or sell Oklo stock? In this video, we will explore Oklo in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 22nd of October, 2024. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 14th of October, 2024, our system has identified Oklo as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 1.13. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced a remarkable gain of 107.47% since we first designated Oklo as a buy candidate just 7 days ago. This equates to an average return of 15.35% per day since it was classified as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned in the upper segment of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term. This situation typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout at the upper trend line, marked at $22.40, would initially suggest a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 35% over the coming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 45% to positive 45%. Our latest daily update for Oklo includes the headline: Significant movements in Oklo Incorporated's stock price on Tuesday, with a fluctuation of 22.28% between high and low. On the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 22nd of October, 2024, the Oklo Incorporated stock price decreased by 6.63%, dropping from $22.31 to $20.83. Throughout the day, the stock exhibited a fluctuation of 22.28%, with a low of $18.40 and a high of $22.50. Over the last 10 days, the stock price has increased in 6 instances and has risen by 108.3% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume decreased on the last day alongside the stock price, which is generally seen as a positive sign since volume should typically follow the stock's movement. On that day, the trading volume dropped by 6 million shares, with a total of 49 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $1.02 billion. In the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $22.93, while the lowest was $5.35. Currently, the stock price is 9.16%, or $2.10, below the 52-week high of $22.93, which also marks the all-time high for this stock. Oklo Incorporated, trading under the ticker symbol Oklo, is making headlines in October 2024, experiencing a remarkable surge of 170% over the past month. The company's stock has recently reached new record highs, with a notable jump of 22%, as investors respond positively to its potential in the burgeoning nuclear energy sector. This potential is particularly relevant in relation to the increasing energy demands driven by artificial intelligence technologies. Notably, major technology firms, such as Amazon, are investing heavily in nuclear power, indicating a critical shift in industry dynamics and boosting market interest in nuclear stocks. Oklo is positioned attractively with its focus on smaller, cost-effective nuclear power solutions, catering to the growing demands from data centers and artificial intelligence infrastructure. The company has garnered attention not only for its innovative approach, but also due to significant insider ownership, suggesting a strong commitment to long-term growth despite the speculative elements associated with its revenue generation timeline, which is projected to start in the year 2027. In the short term, heightened investor interest and the momentum surrounding nuclear power could lead to continued increases in the stock price for Oklo. Long-term prospects hinge on successful project execution, regulatory support, and the ongoing evolution of energy needs as artificial intelligence technologies proliferate. As more tech giants pivot to nuclear energy, Oklo is well positioned to benefit, making it a stock to watch in the evolving energy landscape. Analyst Ratings. On Tuesday, September 24, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned Oklo a neutral grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, September 18, 2024, it was reported that B. Riley granted Oklo a buy grade with an initialize action. On Friday, September 6, 2024, it was reported that Seaport Global designated Oklo with a neutral grade and an initialize action. On Friday, June 21, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup once again assigned Oklo a neutral grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, June 4, 2024, it was noted that Citigroup gave Oklo a neutral grade with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned Oklo stock a general sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. For return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong sell rating as well. The following signals have been identified for Oklo. Oklo Inc. stock displays buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is anticipated at $16.48 and $9.57. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which may affect short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, the 21st of October, 2024, with a current decline of 6.63%. Further decreases are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. During the last trading day, volume decreased alongside the price, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buying signal. Pivots have shown a selling signal 2 days ago. The short-term moving average signaled a buy 7 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 24 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages gave a buy signal 23 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average issued a buy signal 25 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a selling signal 18 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages generated a buy signal 11 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Oklo. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $18.23 and $16.54. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead the stock to fall to the next support level. In this case, Oklo Inc. finds support just below today's level at $18.23. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $16.54 and $15.73. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be of very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $4.10 between its high and low, which is a change of 22.28%. For the last week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 26.69%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Oklo, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may highlight insufficient profitability and elevate the risk of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 12th of November, 2024. Analysts are currently estimating a consensus of negative 8 cents. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Oklo. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Oklo is at $22.31. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering an entry. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a potential point for swing trading. On the downside, Oklo encounters its first support level at $18.23. Should this support level hold, it might present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Oklo from various analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 10th of July, 2024, when Wright Christopher A. conducted an insider purchase of 16,854 shares of restricted stock units. Our recommended stop loss is set at $19.70, reflecting a decrease of 5.44%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which contributes to a heightened level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal originating from a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is Oklo stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that we may have a buying opportunity at the current level. There is a reasonable chance for Oklo Inc. stock to perform well in the near future. We have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold or accumulate position to a buy candidate since our last assessment. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 23rd of October, we expect Oklo to open lower, with a decrease of approximately 25 cents, starting at $20.58. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.